go to the beach? You ready to go to the beach? Never been to the beach before.
Look at how cute you are.
There you go, baby.
She is not excited. She's like, what the hell?
Hi, sweet girl.
Where am I? Where are we? Oh, I know. We're taking Duke to his first beach day.
We have two dogs that have never seen the ocean.
Yup.
I got a big whiff of dog food just now. Did he throw up?
Oh, God!
Did you swallow?
Oh!
What are you doing?
Oh, it's throw up everywhere.
Is there fun
Oh,
juicy?
God, so much throw up.
I'm serious.
Yeah, yes, Sydney, there is seriously throw up.
That's fucking gross. We don't even have anything to clean it.
We have nothing to clean it. Oh, what was that?
You're asleep. Your jacket's. I picked it up and it was inside. Goose. It's so gross. I literally don't know what to do right now. I
Huh?
guess we roll down the windows and keep driving. We don't have anything to clean it up with.
Hey, look at the bright side. Probably won't do it again, right? Well, there's the update for you. We're on the road again. We got windows down now because Lucy threw up everywhere.
I thought you
Mom, the dog is going with you next time. Lucy, excited? Excited? We're here. We're here.
Hi, baby. He's so excited.
Rise and shine.
Rise and shine.
Ooh.
Brand new day.
Ooh.
Ooh.
That's
Bagels by the beach.
kinda. Gotta get them like this.
It's not really working though.
Oh my gosh, he's doing so much better. No, what are you doing? This? Oh, you've done this before.
Alright, what's up everyone? This place is drone central, and if the wind cooperates, we're gonna try to get this baby in the air. Okay, you guys, this is so exciting. It is a little bit windy here, but we have blue skies, which because of these fires in California, we have not had blue skies in so long. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. Come here, Duke!
for the wind, wait for the night. Stand here a while, take a little time. Since you went away, it came to a halt. Silence is everywhere, and you're not. And now I'm running like there's no tomorrow. My life was on a one-way track. This ain't a story about happy ending. Oh, I could set this world on fire. I could tear this town apart. I tried, but I could never be a part of you and your beautiful eyes. With a painted smile, I was the willow tree. You were the fire that burned me. Right till the end, we didn't know we lost. It's not easy living with my fingers crossed. You ran away from all the madness. You stumbled till you found your pace. I know now you were better off without me. I should set this world on fire. I should tear this town apart. I'm hurting just to feel my body. I'm breaking just to be apart. I tried, but I could never be apart.
What are you doing?
There's blueberries everywhere.